afternoon, everybody.
Barely. It's 22 minutes after noon, so
Correct.
It's not too late.
We have something fun that we're doing today. It is Vlogmas Day 12, 13.
Day 13!
13, I'm always a day behind.
Day behind.
It's
You
day-
just want more days of Vlogmas.
I do. I want more days of Vlogmas, more days of the Christmas season, and if we could just slow down time a little bit, it'd be nice. But today, we are doing something super fun. We are making our own gingerbread house.
Yes.
Dan's been spending the morning working his magic with formulas and drawing up a plan for us based off a few different recipes that we've found online to customize our house to our desires. What do we want in a gingerbread house? That's what we figured out this morning. So we have a recipe. We got some
plans.
stuff. We're waiting for the butter to get nice and we got some templates. We're waiting for the butter to get warmer so that we can start creaming together our ingredients. Yeah. All right, everyone. We have our doughs all made up and they're in their little diskies and they're gonna go in, chill in the fridge for about an hour or so. And then we can start taking them out and rolling them out. But we didn't film the actual process of mixing it all because we didn't want to mess it up, or at least I didn't want to mess it up.
We needed to focus.
We needed to focus. So I will link the recipe that we used and followed. We just doubled it down below.
So this is one batch of dough. We split it in half.
Right. So it came together fairly easy, which was good. The dough isn't as sticky as they had warned about. So maybe it's because I think a couple of the ones we looked at were different.
Yeah, the other one that I saw that was really sticky had like double the sugar in it.
Oh, okay.
But it was similar stickiness than this, I think.
Yeah. So this isn't too bad for right now. But
yeah. We spread it out on some wax paper, cut it in half, and then made it into a ball, and then put it in plastic wrap.
Kind of like you do with like pie dough or sugar cookie dough or all that fun stuff. So we're just gonna put these in to chill, and then we will revisit these in a little while.
1 hour later.
It is time.
It's time to roll the dough. It's starting to really smell like gingerbread dough now. This is weird doing it between parchment paper.
Yeah.
I've never rolled out dough between parchment paper before. We'll see how it goes.
Apparently it's a hack. I don't think that's how that works.
That's what they do in the Great British Baking Show.
No.
Alright, location change. Much better. Dan's pulled out the pizza cutter.
But you can't get it.
Nope, apparently not. So Dan's getting in there with some precision cutting. Looks like out of the first rollout, we're able to get the two sides and the two ends of the house. So that's pretty good.
I think we read that you have to have the dough a ½ inch thick,
Yeah,
but
we didn't think we'd get enough out of it.
we wouldn't get enough out of it if we did, so.
We'll just have to use a lot of icing to hold it together.
Power stance.
Rolling powers.
Rolling.
Gotta have it. It's imperative to any good rolling process. You have to have a good stance, especially when your
Wide base.
dough is nice and
Chilled.
chilled. Yeah. Right, they're all cut out. Now it is time to put them in the oven. See if it all works out, right, Dan?
Yep.
I'm sure they'll be great. All right, and as they say on the Great British Bake Off,
Going in.
going in. Ta-da!
Whoa.
Look out.
Now we're making some Mickeys.
I've had this Mickey gingerbread cookie cutter forever because we got a set of, like a mix of gingerbread cookie mix from the parks the one year, and this cookie cutter came with it. Well, we have not made anything with this cookie cutter since we brought it home. Never even made the mix. We found it like years later and we're like, oh.
Ooh, yeah, that's probably not good anymore.
So now we have the perfect excuse to use our Mickey gingerbread cookie cutter. Because there's so much extra dough. Look at all this dough. So exciting. Unfortunately, it won't be like the Grand Floridian's Mickey cookies, but nobody's getting those this year, unfortunately. And that's my favorite. I love how they're nice and chewy and soft. And they almost have like a spongy consistency to them.
Mickeys are baked.
Yay, Mickey!
And a little smiley face with the extra dough. And then we made all of our house components over here. You have the roofs, front and back, side walls. Chimney pieces are here. Made a door for the front. And then like 8 triangles if we need any support pieces.
Just in
case. Is there 8 there? Yeah, there's 8. Okay, good. I counted right.
Good job. You counted right.
I can count. Yay!
Yay. I also got out I bought some piping bags and I haven't used them yet. Some piping bags and some fun tips. Alright everybody, we have gingerbread creation station set up right now. We have the gingerbread house bits. We have icing sugar in the, well, it's royal icing. Royal icing in that to put everything together. We have royal icing in a piping bag for fine details. We got some M&Ms. We got some peppermint candies. We got some leftover bits from trimming down the sides and the roof. And also we have some little gummy drop candies over here so that we can use them as we need to as well. Super duper. The only thing we're missing is candy canes, but we have some in that little, oh sorry.
I'll just aim
Just
at you.
find where it is, Dan. We need some candy canes.
Oh yeah, I forgot we need candy canes.
5 of them are broken. I don't know if you want broken ones.
No, we don't want broken ones.
Well then find good ones.
There's 2 good ones there.
I don't know how many we're actually going to use, but
No, we can always just grab
we
them.
can just grab them as we need them. And we have like this cutting board. So we put some foil over the cutting board here. That's going to be our building surface. Yeah. All set for construction. Got your construction hat on. Just like in Animal Crossing, you can't do any construction without your construction hat on. Let's get started. Let's do this. It's Advent calendar time. Yeah. Got a nice blue one today. How nice.
So nice.
How nice. Our beautiful works of art here.
Yeah, that turned out pretty amazing.
Pretty awesome.
If I do say so myself. Alright, are we thinking it's gonna happen today?
What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
Alright, let's see.
Feels like...
Oh!
Hey! It's a mini! Woo!
Finally.
Oh man, that's funny.
You did it. You did it. Made it through.
Finally did it. Finally. Uh-oh.
What's it say today?
Where does Santa live? The North Pole, of course.
North Pole, of course.
Of course.
Interesting.
Yeah. So, today was a fun day of gingerbread building.
Yeah.
I think we did pretty good for our first
say we did
full
awesome.
gingerbread from start to finish.
Start to finish. Made our own templates and everything. I think it worked out pretty well.
Absolutely. The only thing I can think of that I would have done differently is maybe put some or get some icing or something to put down on the thing to make it fully snowy.
Yeah, make some sort of ground or base.
Yeah. Or just white, something white to put down to make it look like snow.
Sure.
But that's about it.
Could use sugar like you do at
Disney.
Witness Lodge, yeah. Or Disney anywhere.
Yeah, that could be. But
No, we're not gonna do that. But anyways.
yeah, no. But either way, it was a fun time
It was a lot of
making
fun.
it. So yeah. My hand is gonna hurt from all the piping. I can already feel it start to cramp up. Maybe I should call him work tomorrow.
You might have to go
Sorry,
from work tomorrow.
I can't use the mouse.
I can't.
I can't use the mouse. I have a cramped hand.
Too much icing.
Yep. I feel like that's a legitimate reason.
Maybe.
Absolutely. All right. We are going to watch the Bills game because they're on Sunday Night Football. And it's probably going to be a doozy of a game. So
Yeah. It's 0-0
it's going back
first.
and forth. So, and the Steelers are good. So
We'll see what happens.
we'll see what happens. Hopefully tomorrow we can report, yes, the Bills win! Or I think Dan puts it at the end of the video.
I'll try
like,
and put it in the video.
Bills
yeah.
win! Or Bills lose,
Oh,
sad
wah,
face.
wah, wah. Well, you will see.
We will see. But anyways, thanks for joining us for Gingerbread Day. And we shall see you tomorrow. Good night.
The bills make me wanna shout, kick your heels up and shout, throw your hands up and shout, throw your